My name is Harshal Shah. Company name is Elsner Technologies, and we are basically into websites, e-commerce, and digital marketing business. And I'm the founder and director of the company. It's been 18 years we're running this company, and we came here for this CXO training at AMA, leading the team from the future. And my key learning from this training is about deep learning, deep listening from our people. Uh, Many times we just listen people from the by just namesake, but here we learn that if we listen people from deep from your heart, uh, you get to know lot many things. And in many organizations, the culture is like just good talk, like sweet talk in meetings, but sometimes they really don't believe it. But if you have a dialogue culture where people can openly talk, in that case you can transform organizations better. You can find a better leader, and who really can add a value to the organization. So sweet talk is not the good thing. uh, One more point which I have learned is about to go fast, you have to go slow. So that was a great learning. And I think by this small, so deep cleaning, like building a empathy walk. I think there was another concept called empathy walk, which has amazing concept of uh, you know listen somebody from your heart, just not having any expectations. I think that gives a really connect with from the people. So yeah, that's what are the great learning from me. Thank you.